For the Google My Maps assignment, I decided to do my road trip that I'm planning in September. We will be starting out in Canyon Country, and our first stop would be in Henderson. We will be going to the Vegas Strip in Henderson, and we will go and see the Hoover Dam. Next, we will go to the Grand Canyon, and in the Grand Canyon, we will visit the National Park. Next stop will be Utah. We're thinking Bryce Canyon National Park. There we will see Bryce Canyon and Zion National Park. Next stop will be Mount Rushmore. Oops. And in Mount Rushmore, we will see the National Park. There it is. After Mount Rushmore, we will go to Yellowstone, right over here, and see the National Park. And our last, we'll come back to Henderson, and then we will arrive back in Canyon Country.